Hi, and welcome to Cedar Ridge High School Library. We are going to show you a series of short clips that introduce you to library resources and tools that will help you be successful students here at Cedar Ridge High School as well as successful library users. So the first thing I would like to show you is our library homepage. Our hours of operation are 8:15 to 4:15 Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and until 5:15 on Tuesday, Thursday. I am Ms. Hall. I'm one of your librarians, and Mrs. Ulzelman is our other librarian. We are co-librarians. We manage the facility together, and Ms. Holhalter is our library assistant. So when you guys come into the library, the first thing you typically want to do is look for books. So when you hover over library tools, you will click on the online catalog. And believe it or not, we no longer have card catalogs. These are not called card catalogs anymore. They are called online catalogs. So if you're looking for a book within our collection, this is the system we use. It's called CIRCE. You can search by keywords and phrases, subject, title, or author. The library, when you see this term and it says here, that means you're searching specifically for our location. When you click on the pull-down menu, you have the option of choosing all high school libraries, all middle school libraries, all RRISD libraries, or a specific campus. So this would include elementary and middle school campuses as well. So we're going to search specifically for our campus. And the title I'm just going to search is what's popular. I'm going to do The Coldest Girl in Coal Town. And I can just press the enter and it will take me to that title. So what you see here is that we have two titles that come up in our holdings. We have an e-form of the book, which is a digital audio book actually, and we also have it in hard copy. When you look at the title, you see clearly here that it is an electronic resource. We also do genreification, and what that is we identify the genre of the book for you because there are some students who like to specifically look for fantasy, horror, romance, mystery, or adventure type books, or realistic. And so for those students, and even myself, who like certain genres of books, we provide this. This book is actually an e-resource, and it is available via the internet. So what that means is, in order to access it, we would click here on eBrary, and it takes us to MacAnVIA, which is a portal that we use to access all of our ebooks and audiobooks. And if I wanted to check this book out, I would simply just click on Listen Now, and it would take me to a Mackin interface where it allows me to listen to the book. Now going back to our catalog, we also have the book in print form. So when I click on the title of the book, it gives me information about the book. The author of this book is Holly Black. My call number is F, which means fiction, BLA, the first three letters of the author's last name, and then horror, my genre. If I want a little overview of what this book is about, I can click on Look Inside. That will give me a short summary of the story as well as overviews from library-related review materials such as Library Journal, Publishers Weekly, or Book List Review. In addition, it names some of your key characters in the book as well as the genre and then topics that are focused on throughout the book. If I want to look at the catalog record, and typically most students aren't going to want to look at this. Again, it has an abstract that gives a very, very short overview of the book, but in addition, it also has your reading level. So if you like to measure your reading based on the accelerated reader level or a Lexile level, it does provide you that as well. So here we have a Lexile level of 890, and for accelerated reader, we have a level of 6.0. The subject terms for this book are vampires fiction and love fiction. Again, this title is called The Coldest Girl in Coal Town by Holly Black. And that is how you search for books in the library.